and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys this product that I purchased on Amazon. This is called the VBT Boob Tape. You can also call it Breast Lift Tape as well, body tape. This product is very good because I like to use this product when I have a halter top or with a plunging neckline with certain dresses and certain outfits that I wear that your bra will be showing in certain areas. I like to use this boob tape because it covers those areas and it's thin, it is invisible, you cannot see it through your clothes, and it's not bulky at all. It lays seamlessly. So about this product is the tape is made up of 95% cotton and 5% spandex. It's high quality taped and it's breathable and sweat resistant. So I like to wear these, like I said, with certain outfits, and I like to wear these more so during the summertime because with certain outfits it's a little bit more revealing during the summertime because it is hot. So that's why I really like this. Another thing that I like about this product is that it comes with nipple covers as well. It comes with nipple covers that you can apply before you apply the tape in the areas that you want to conceal, basically. So this comes with 2 rolls and it is 2 inches by 16.4 feet. So it comes with 2 rolls. It comes with the nude and it comes with a black pair and 1 pair of silicone lifting nipple covers and the boob tape as well. It does come with a little accessory as well, so I like that. It is very sticky, but it is very easy to come off as well. They do have other colors than one that I did mention, which was the black and nude. They do have other colors as well. They have beige, they have caramel, dark black, they have also nude and chocolate, and I believe, oh no, that nude and black is the one that I have. And this also comes in a 3-inch. So if you do want a little bit more coverage, or if your areola is on the bigger side, the wider side, it will provide you more coverage. And also this is easy to remove. I like to remove mine. Well, the recommended way to remove it is to use some warm water to remove it, or I tried this before, you can use some alcohol just to apply it around the tape and it will loosen up the tape. Make sure you do a skin test before you apply this product. I forgot to say that at the beginning of the video, because even though this product is hypoallergenic, you want to make sure that it's not too sensitive for your skin. It is easy to apply, easy to remove, and again, it is breathable fabric. It is really sticky. It lasts a very long time as well. I have worn this out on a very hot day, a very hot summer day, and the tape did not move. It did not budge. It stayed in place until I was ready to remove the tape from my boobs. So I am going to be including a clip inside. If you have not already saw the video, I included a clip of the different ways that you can apply the tape to your boobs to wear different type of tops or dresses or anything like that, whatever it is that you're wearing. Or if you just want to cover up the nipple area when you decide to wear no bra, you can just apply it there as well. And this also gives you a nice lift. It's like an instant boob job to me when I apply the tape to my boobs, and how it helps them sit up in place and stay stable in that area. They don't move around, it's not bulky, and very good product. This product is very affordable. This a product I did get from Amazon. Again, very affordable. And you can also check down in the description box for the link for this product and also for the coupon code. I do have a coupon code for this product as well. So the code would be BTYF17AV, and the link also will be down in the description down below for a 10% discount whenever you purchase this item. So let me know what you guys think of this video, and also don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and check out this VBT quality boob tape Believe me, it's a must have. So go ahead, girls and guys, go check it out. Bye.